Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VATE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up here above 0.045. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 0.045, I'm not saying the entire chart's broken or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to actually stay up above that level, that would definitely be a huge sign of strength going forward. Next level of support after that would be that previous breakout point and consolidation area right there at 4 cents. So 4 cents and then 4.5 cents, going to be those two near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, looking at things from the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that's what's being represented. Again, sure, staying above 0.045, that would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price stays above that purple line, then the bulls are fully in control. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, key level right up there at 0.053. So 0.053, public enemy number one going into tomorrow. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice movement today, very nice volume. And as long as the price starts chipping away and continues to build those higher bases, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.